All right, let us review quiz number 3. It looks like this was mostly Pro Tools stuff. The first thing is, so the chunks of audio that we use, I say audio regions. I think the previous name for them was audio regions. Pro Tools has changed the name to be clips. So I try to use the word clips just to make sure that everything is clear on your menus when you're discussing different things with other people that use Pro Tools. Clips. And it makes sense if you understand that Avid bought Pro Tools. Avid is a video company. So if you think about video clips, you have the audio clip with the video clip. Clips is a clip is a clip. Good. Instrument tracks. Instrument tracks in Pro Tools are what we usually use for our virtual instruments. I know I think we covered this in another class, maybe one of the MIDI classes, that just because you're recording an instrument, if it's a guitar, if it's drums, if it's a piano, don't put it on an instrument track. We're recording the audio of those instruments onto an audio track. Instrument track is for virtual instruments, soft synths, the MIDI instruments that exist inside of Pro Tools. They're going to go onto those instrument tracks. And the instrument track, in and of itself, it's a combination of two other types of tracks. We've got the MIDI track and an aux input. So combining those two makes the instrument track. If you want to do it yourself, right, you can do a MIDI track and then route that into the aux input. Okay. Now, once we have that, how do we get that virtual instrument, that MIDI information, to be an audio clip? If we want to convert it into an audio clip, and there's a lot of good reasons to do that I think we will cover again soon. What you have to do is you bus the audio out of your instrument track, create a audio track with the same input. If it's bus 1 and 2, you come out of bus 1 and 2 into bus 1 and 2 on the audio track. You arm that audio track on a little flashing red R, and then you hit record, and it should record an audio version of the MIDI that you have programmed. And then once you're all happy with that, bouncing it down, combining the 10, 12, 40, 863 tracks down to a stereo track is called bounce. And the quick key for bounce is Option Command B. Okay. Thank you very much, and thanks.